Have you ever wanted to grow carnivorous plants but felt they were too difficult? Today, I'm going to introduce 3 amazing Nepenthes pitcher plants and show you exactly how to repot them step by step using a simple beginner-friendly soil mix. By the end of this video, you'll know how to grow healthy Nepenthes even if you're a complete beginner. In this video, I'll show you 3 beautiful Nepenthes hybrids and species, their unique characteristics, how to repot them using Kanuma soil and perlite, and important care tips to help them thrive. Let's get started. First is Nepenthes Herrelliana times Vichai Barrio. This hybrid combines 2 very famous species. The characteristics include thick, striped peristome, the rim of the pitcher, beautiful coloration when grown in bright light. Because of the Vichai genetics, this plant often develops wide, dramatic pitcher mouths, which makes it very attractive for collectors. Strong, sturdy leaves. The good news for beginners is that hybrids like this are usually more tolerant and easier to grow than pure species. Next is Burbagei Herrelliana. This is a complex hybrid, but don't worry, what matters is how it grows. You can expect elegant shape from Burbagei, strong structure from Herrelliana, colorful peristome influence from Veitchi. This combination often produces very ornamental pitchers with good vigor. For beginners, vigorous hybrids are great because they recover faster from mistakes. The third plant is Nepenthes singulana, a species from Sumatra. Compared to the hybrids, this one has slender pitchers, a more delicate appearance, beautiful natural patterns. Since it is a species, it can sometimes be slightly more sensitive than hybrids, but with proper care, it grows very well. I'll be repotting them. Remove the plant from its pot. Rinse away the old potting soil with water. Oh no, there's sphagnum moss wrapped around the roots. In this case, trying to remove it forcefully will damage the roots, so please refrain from doing so. Today's soil mix is very simple. Kanuma soil 80%, perlite 20%. Kanuma soil provides acidic soil, good moisture retention, excellent aeration. Perlite adds drainage, airspace for roots. Add a little potting soil to the planter. Decide where to plant the Nepenthes. This time, there's a large pitcher, so plant it slightly off-center. Add the potting soil. Then we finish with coconut husk chips on top. This top layer helps maintain humidity, prevent soil drying. This mix is beginner-friendly and works very well. Finally, pour water over the top. Once the water draining from the bottom of the pot runs clear, you're done. If water gets on the leaves, wipe it off. Why wipe off water? When water remains on leaves and sunlight or LED light hits them, the droplets act like lenses, concentrating the light and scorching the leaves. To prevent this, wipe off any water that gets on the leaves. I'll be making a video about the growth of Nepenthes Herrelliana Vichai Barrio soon. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the video. Next up is repotting. This is Nepenthes Veitchi Burbagei Herrelliana. For the potting mix, I use a blend of Kanuma soil and perlite in an 8:2 ratio. Since it has a large pitcher, I plant it slightly offset from the center. After adding the potting mix, I lay down coconut husk chips. Finally, water from the top. When the water draining from the bottom of the pot runs clear, it's done. I'll make a video showing the growth of Nepenthes Veitchi Burbagei Herrelliana later. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the video. Next up for repotting carnivorous plants is Nepenthes singulana. For the potting mix, I use a blend of Kanuma soil and perlite in an 8:2 ratio. This time, it's fine to plant it in the center of the pot, so I'll plant it in the center. After adding the potting mix, I lay down coconut husk chips. Finally, water from the top. When the water draining from the bottom of the pot runs clear, it's done. I'll make a video showing the growth of Nepenthes singulana later. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Check out my other Nepenthes videos here. Thanks for watching.